Hey, let me show you Wi-Fi speed test on the Poco F8 Ultra. I'm currently connected into the Wi-Fi 6 network and speed of this one is 1200 megabits per second. So let's go into the test application. Let's click on the go and let's see for the download and the upload. I'm just sitting next to the router, so there's high good quality signal strength, and the result is actually not that good. It's actually pretty bad, honestly, for this speed. So yeah, that's how it looks for this specific test. The first time I can see something like that I've got higher upload than download. Not sure if something is wrong with my network, but on my PC it works properly. I believe that something wrong with the application right now or the phone itself.